In today's video, we're going to be checking out possibly the best window AC unit that you can buy, and it's this guy right here. It's the Midea U-shaped inverter compressor window unit. There's several things that set this unit apart from the rest, so with that, let's jump right into it. All right, so for starters, the installation of this window unit was very basic. It had a really nice bracket that just had these little pins that you adjust depending on the thickness of your window. You can install this in a really thick window, no problem. And that bracket made it super easy. Now, these window units are designed to slope slightly away from the home for drainage. And this bracket made that really easy. It also includes a little level, and that part was super basic as well. Now, another thing I really like about this unit is that it uses a very small sliver of insulating foam to fill that gap that you have at the bottom of the window. Some other units, you require a lot of foam and they include a ton of foam, but this kit includes a small amount because they know you're not going to need much with the design of this system. Now, with that being said, the main thing that I like about this unit that sets it apart from some of the saddle design units that I've reviewed in the past is that with a saddle design, you have water that's condensing inside here, and it has to then be pumped over that hump into the outside condenser. Whereas this unit, being as it's a U shape, it does not have to do that. It can simply drain right here, and there is no extra unit or pump required to pump that water out. So the less components, the better, the more simple it is, and that's going to make it last a lot longer. Now, more importantly, this unit is 35% more efficient than your standard AC unit, and it is 10 times quieter. That's what this unit is all about. It's supposed to be about 35 decibels. So I'm really curious to see how quiet this is compared to some other AC units that I've tested. And the reason this can do that is because it has inverter technology, something that is included in, say, a mini split system that you can barely hear that compressor running. That same technology is put in this tiny window unit, which is amazing. Now, real quick, let's talk about price and capacity. So this is the 8,000 BTU window unit that can condition 350 square feet. And funny enough, this unit is $350 with free shipping on Prime. So a great deal for an awesome window unit. If you have a larger space that you need to condition, the 12,000 BTU unit is $450 and it will condition 550 square feet. And of course that has free shipping on Prime as well. So with all that covered, let's turn this unit on and check it out. All right, folks, check it out. So this is fully installed. So we have this main bracket here that attaches to this. We have the unit slipped inside of these grooves here, so it's not going to go anywhere. And then we have these anti-tip sliding brackets. So for whatever reason, if this tries to move, it's going to hit this first. So we have that locked in. So it'll hit this before anything happens. So you put your foam in before that. We just cut that real easy so everything is nice and sealed. And now we have this great adhesive that goes all the way along the top side after we did all of that. So now when we slide our window, check this out. Fully sealed, no opportunity for bugs or air to get in. And then additionally, we have this to seal the window sash. So this is supposed to tuck inside of here to just make sure that there isn't any gaps here on the window as well. Okay, so here's the full view. We have this sash seal. You can't even see it back here, but when I look through here, it's shoved between the glass and this. So no air can go from the outside up through there and get into the window. And everything is in and beautiful. Really nice finished look. Now, if you want to use the window, obviously you can. The biggest thing though is that you have light coming through your window, so it's not like a big blocked off thing on your window. You see a lot of those ghetto applications where it's basically all like cardboard or foam. This still lets the natural light come in and you can still condition your space. So it's a really nice design. All right, so we're about to bump on our Midea U-shaped window unit. And for starters, this has an awesome remote. This is the same as my Mr. Cool and other Midea products. It's a really user-friendly remote. And you can also connect this via Wi-Fi, as you can see. But a question that I get asked all the time is, do I have to run this with the app? The answer is absolutely not. You can run this without the app, just like a traditional window unit, no problem. So if you don't want to put in your information or download an app, don't worry about that at all. We're just going to show you how to do this without the app, But if you do like to use the app, that's an awesome feature. If you forgot to turn this on, or if you want to crank down the temperature before you get home, that's a really nice feature that this unit offers. So we're going to bump this on. We're going to bump it into cooling mode here, and we're going to bump it down to 67 degrees. So for starters, I really love the sleekness of this. And as you can see, we have it on the swing feature, so this goes up and down. So that's gonna recirculate that air nicely. Compressor just kicked on. All right, so as you can see, we're at about 47 decibels. I think right here I was hitting, the wind was hitting it and throwing it off a little bit. So off to the side was about 47 decibels. And I can already feel this is nice and cold, super cold. It's not super hot out today since we're still in April here, but this is already spitting out. The compressor is absolutely on. You can hear it very faintly, but man, this thing is really, really quiet. It has that slow start with the inverter compressor, and you just can't tell that the compressor is on. A lot of the other units, they just have like a jolt when the compressor kicks on. And even some of the other ones that I've reviewed that have an inverter compressor, they still make a lot more noise. And this one is absolutely engineered to where they really remove that, and it's really, really quiet. I also just really love the sleekness of this front grille. And then the ease of cleaning this. So to clean these filters out, all we do is pop this, and it's very similar to a Mr. Cool unit. It simply slides out like that. We have our smart Wi-Fi controller there, and just a really nice design for cleaning this. For if we ever need to clean the evaporator coil, that would be super easy. And of course, our drain pan is right there, and it simply slides right off into the outside unit. Now, something you may have seen about this unit is that it developed mold, and that has been resolved. This is an updated model, and the unit comes with this right here. This is a plug that allows water to slowly drip out of the outside of the unit. So real quick, we're gonna pop the original blue plug out, and we're gonna pop this one in. It comes with a handful of them, so they say if you ever see it stop leaking water, to just replace it with an additional plug, but this shouldn't be a very common thing or a very frequent thing that you'll have to do. All right, so here's the outside of the unit. As you can see, this bracket has plenty of additional space in case you have a larger wall thickness. And then we have those nice brackets just sitting on the siding there. So really nice design by Midea. Waiting for this compressor to kick on so I can give you a decibel count out here. But everything looks really nice. And real quick, we're going to take this plug out. So this guy right here, we're simply gonna remove that and put our black plug in. So the easiest way to do this is just take a flat blade screwdriver. And you can see all the water. Look at all that. Just from running it a little bit, we had all this water. And this black plug right here is just gonna allow that water to slowly drip out how it's designed. And it's as easy as that. Well guys, I can't seem to get the compressor to kick on because it's not warm enough outside, which is a nice safety feature. If it's cold outside overnight and you want to run this, this will turn off automatically, so it will prevent any damage to the compressor. But everything looks really nice in terms of how everything is designed. Of course, we have a DC fan motor and then the inverter compressor in here. So really nice design. And when I was able to run that yesterday, everything sounded really nice with the Midea window unit. Well guys, I am blown away by the Midea U-shaped window unit. I think this is an awesome candidate if you're looking for a window unit. Whether you live in an apartment or a space that you want to get cool air to easily, this is a great option. Now, if you're still open to other options, the GE Profile is one that I absolutely love. If you want to see the full installation and review video of that one, you can find it right there. And until next time, you guys be safe. Later.